Hello everyone, today we are at Intralogistics and Warehouse Expo 2024. There is our stalls M6 where you can see that we are featuring many manufacturers from India, and we are also presenting our books and magazines here. Please visit our stalls and also in exhibitions. Thank you.
I am from AEPL Agvatech Engineers Private Limited, Pune. We are the channel partners for Stack-On brand, which comes from Mohali, 100% Indian product. This is the first time we are participating jointly in Pune, which is a major hub center for industries. And as you can see, we have displayed most of their products. We keep adding new products every year. This product which I am standing next to is the product which has been recently launched in Delhi, in Logimat. We are launching it here in Maharashtra right now, and we have good support from our principals, which is Stack-On, and that the whole team is also here from Chandigarh. That makes a big difference for us to get the confidence to market their products in our region.
Welcome to Evans Innovations. What are you looking at is Evans is the first manufacturer of high-end automatic doors in India. Evans is a 40-year-old company, and we basically deal into high-speed doors, rolling shutters, turnstiles, dock levelers, physical access systems, boom barriers, bollards, etc. We have 2,000 plus satisfied clients. One thing that makes us apart is that we have core product expertise. Whatever your requirements are, we always customize it as per your needs.
Bastion is in India from last 25 years, and we are providing the best of the best automation solutions for material handling, especially storage technologies. We offer competitive solutions, software and control systems, and after sales and service, including 24/7 customer support. Bastion Solutions is well-known organization having 70 plus years of experience in the automation field. We are being a part of Toyota Advanced Logistic Group. We have the strength of Toyota, and we optimize the solutions working together with our other group companies. For India, we also started manufacturing facility. We manufacture conveyors, we manufacture sortation systems, we manufacture lift, and due to this we can offer the customer the best of the best quality product, predictable delivery I would say, and then price.
We are the warehouse consultant. We provide a warehouse pan-India, lease, rent and outright. We are master in pre-lease property. We give warehouse 3,000 square foot on 75 lakhs, and rent will be there every month 45,000.
So Savoie is a French company since 100 years almost now. We was just a few people at the beginning, and then now we have a big growth. Like we start our own company in Savoie, North America. We developed our first project for Tyson food, especially for a core. So through this project we was able to start our manufacture over there and to accomplish our biggest project we ever made, which is made of 12 aisles and 366 shuttle. And now we expect having more partnership and customers through India